Hello, I'm Avian Animations. Today I am going to talk about parrots. There are many types of parrots, all of which are part of the order of Psittaciforms. The first superfamily of parrots I'm going to talk about is Psittacoidea, or the true parrots. They live in flocks. They are indigenous to many places. Next, I'm going to talk about the Cockatuidae, or the cockatoos. They are indigenous to Australia and the only parrots with crests. The last family of parrots we will talk about is the Strigopidae, or New Zealand parrot. Many of them are endangered. Due to the lack of natural mammal predators, many of these parrots are vulnerable to invasive species such as cats, dogs, and rats. Most parrots are very colorful and noisy, and they can lift the food to their beaks using their claws. Next week, I will be talking about New World vultures. Thanks for watching!